If you're looking for how to make delicious pop-up with no stress at all, just sit back and enjoy. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining in, please subscribe and let's get started. Okay, for our pop-up mix, we'll be needing a clean bowl and a clean filter to filter our flour to prevent any lumps when mixing. So our measurement is that we're going to be measuring 3 cups of flour. 3 cups of flour, that's the measurement I'm taking today. So let's sit back and enjoy.
Oh girl, you got me going psycho. Oh, I know,你不会懂我太久。Oh, I go, you got me going psycho. Oh, I know, 你不会懂我太久。
Okay, now you can see how smooth our flour is after filtering it. That's the best thing to do whenever you're doing your puff puff. So now we're going to be taking 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. That will be our nutmeg measurement. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then for our sugar, it will be 1/2 cup of sugar, but people that love excess sugar can make use of 1 cup of sugar. But for me, I don't like my puff to have excess sugar, but some persons love excess sugar, so it's okay, it's your choice. Then for my yeast, I'll be using Surf instant yeast. Some persons love mixing the Surf instant yeast with warm water before mixing it with our puff mix. But for me, I love pouring it raw into my flour, my sugar, my nutmeg before actually pouring my warm water. So now you can see this is me pouring warm water. Please, your water should be warm, not hot. And this is me trying to give it a stir so that it can mix properly. And please, you can also make use of your hand, but I don't want my hand to get sticky. That's why I used this stick. So this is me just turning it, adding more water. So just sit back and enjoy and watch the video till the end.
Oh girl, you got me going psycho. Oh, I know, 你不会懂我太久。Oh, I go, you got me going psycho. Oh, I know, 你不会懂我太久。
You can see how smooth it's becoming, so just keep on stirring it till it changes to this kind of format, so smooth. Then we're just going to cover it for probably an hour, yes, an hour, so that we have a good rise. Yes, so this is it after an hour. You can see, and as you can see now, our puff is 100% perfect to start frying, to start cutting it inside our hot oil and start frying. It's so easy and fast. If you follow my procedure from the beginning, you will enjoy your puff in a very good manner. And if you want me to show you how I cut my dough of puff, kindly put it on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.